Need a clean Markdown version of any website for AI agents, RAG pipelines, documentations, or LLM applications? Here's how to scrape any web page into Markdown in under a minute using Geekflare web scraping API. Open the Geekflare playground and select web scraping. The playground is already configured to send a post request to the web scraping endpoint. Now enter the website you want to scrape. For this demo, I will use this link. Under Format, select Markdown. Markdown removes unnecessary HTML while preserving the page structure, making it ideal for AI applications. It's also more token efficient than raw HTML, helping reduce token usage and lower LLM costs. Keep render.js enabled to render JavaScript-powered websites correctly. You can also leave block ads turned on to remove unnecessary content before extraction. Click Send Request. Within seconds, Geekflare fetches the web page and returns its content as clean, structured Markdown. The output preserves headings, paragraphs, links, tables, lists, and code blocks, making it ready for AI applications without additional parsing or cleanup. Now switch to code snippets. Geekflare automatically generates production-ready code in multiple programming languages. Notice it's using the official API endpoint. Simply copy the code and integrate it into your application. Whether you are building AI agents, RAG systems, search indexing, documentation tools, or content automation workflows, Geekflare makes converting websites into AI-ready Markdown effortlessly. Start building with the Geekflare web scraping API today.